Hey guys, this is Riley Kamoyo and today we're making an espresso. Hope you enjoy the video. So, first things first, before we start making the espresso coffee, we're gonna check a few things. Check that the water level is right, which it is. Shouldn't be very low, or it shouldn't really be too high. Now I wanna check if we have any coffee, which we do, because if we're out of coffee, it wouldn't taste good. Same thing with the other reason. Portafilter in double shot today because it wouldn't taste the espresso properly. Start grinding. This tampers itself, by the way. There's the coffee that we're going to use. Lock it tight. Pour. Gonna pour it below the top here. Now stop and wait for it to brew. We will see you soon when it is brewed. In the meantime, gonna dump our wastage. Clean our portafilter. There we go, the espresso. Hope you like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you all later. Bye.